Good day everyone, I'm Ryu. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 2017, the installation of His Majesty Yang Di-Pertua Agong 15, Sultan Muhammad V. This coin card was issued on 24th April 2017. You'll notice that this time I did not do it with a book. That's because our book only record until 2016. Unfortunately, they still not come out a new edition for the latest coin, so I have to do it without the book. Now, let's take a look at the technical specification of the coin. So, the coin is a Nordic gold coin. Hold on, I'm trying to refocus it. So, and the diameter of this coin is 30 mm, and the weight is 8.5 gram. Thickness is 1.8 mm, and Negara issue 15,000 of this coin card, and these are all minted by Negara, Malaysia. Now let's take a closer look at the coin. Let's take a look inside the coin card. This is how the overall coin card look like. If any of you are interested to buy, I'm going to leave this side like this for 10 seconds in case any of you want to read it. Sorry about the shadow. I think I'm going to on the light. Alright guys, if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. I'm going to leave it like this just for 10 seconds. This design of the one is a bit darker, so I think I will have to on the light. Here is the English version. If you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now let's take a closer look at the coin. This is how the coin looks like. Let's see if I can refocus it some more. Let's take a look at the other side of the coin. Off the light, see. Man, this is very hard, man, this card. Alright guys, that's it. If you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching it from other side like Stevie, don't forget to upload the post sharing it. And that's it for today. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.